we're getting ready for one of the best days of the year, Easter! And usually I'm at school passing out Easter treats to all my teachers and classmates. But because I'm not at school this year, I'm gonna be passing out treats over Zoom. Okay, let's see who's first on my list. Oh boy, the first one is sure gonna be interesting. All right, Ellie, don't worry, we got this. Hey there, Jimmy!
Oh, hey there, Ellie. Wow, you came in at the perfect time. I'm about to beat my high score on this video game. I just gotta beat this one last part. And jump! What? Jump! Jump! Come on!
What's wrong?
Oh no, the batteries on my controller ran out. Oh, and I was so close. So close.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. But hey, I bet I can cheer you up.
I doubt it. Worst day ever.
How about an Easter gift?
Gift? On second thought, maybe there is something that can cheer me up. But wait a second. How are you gonna give me a gift over the computer?
Oh, that's easy. Let me just show you. All right, I'm gonna take the gift and I'm gonna send it here. There, check your messages.
Let's see. Here it is. Open. No way! 500 Robux! Yes! Best Easter gift ever! Thanks, Ellie. How did you know that I was already out of Robux?
Oh, I just had a hunch. Anyway, I'm glad that you like it, and next year we'll go back to the regular Easter chocolate eggs. Virtual chocolate eggs don't taste as good. Happy Easter!
Oh, that reminds me. I got you an Easter gift too. Just stand still. 1, 2, 3!
Wow! You turned me into an Easter bunny! Ooh, bunny nose, bunny whiskers, and bunny ears. That's really funny, Jimmy. Thank you so much for your Easter gift. Okay, I have a lot more people to call now, so I'll talk to you tomorrow at school.
Oh, wait, Ellie, before you go, you don't happen to have any more Robux lying around, do you? Because there's this really awesome new pair of sneakers on Roblox that I want to get, but I just need a few more Robux to afford it, so what do you say? Pretty please?
Sorry, Jimmy. Only one gift per person, but I promise you if I have any left over, I'll share it with you.
Oh, fine, I understand. Bye, Ellie.
Happy Easter! Okay, time to get back to the list. Who's next? Oop, someone's calling me. Hello? Oh, hi there again, Jimmy.
Gee, Ellie, I just can't stop thinking about how much work it's going to be for you to hand out all those Robux gift cards. So, being the nice friend that I am, I thought maybe you could use a little bit of help, specifically with the handing out of the Robux cards. So what do you say? Let me help you. Who's next on your Easter gift list?
Well, it's Mr. Watson, our science teacher. And that's really nice to me, but I think I can handle it myself.
Mr. Watson?
So you can just...
Why didn't you say so earlier? Mr. Watson happens to be right here at my house. He's, helping me with my science homework. Stay right here. I'll go get him.
Huh? I thought we were doing virtual learning.
Ellie Sparkles, my #1 science student. I hope you've been studying as hard as Jimmy has been lately.
Hi, Mr. Watson. You look and, sound a little different. Is that really you?
So, Jimmy was saying that you had an Easter surprise for me, and you know the only thing I like more than science is a nice Easter surprise.
Yep, I sure do. I want to thank you for being such a great teacher. I'll send it to you right now. Mr. Watson. There, check your messages. Happy Easter.
Well, let's see here. There it is, and open. 500 Robux!
Yes! Roblox sneakers, here I come.
I mean, yes, this Robux will be perfect for me to try out a new science game. Hold on, I think there's a few more people from your Easter list who are here.
Wait, Mr. Watson, don't go. Wait, what? Okay. Huh. Gosh, every time I talk to Jimmy, something always seems to happen. Is it just me or does everyone start looking like each other? Anyway, I'm down to one last person on my list. I'm so exhausted already. Nice! This should be a lot smoother. I hope. Okay, time to call my good friend.
Hello? I hear ringing. I hear ring. Hello? Is someone there? Can you hear me?
Coach Rocco, it's me, Ellie, over here. Look at me, look at me. No.
Hi there, Ellie. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Where exactly are you?
Coach, you have to look right at your computer screen and you'll see me.
Computers. Oh, there you are, Ellie. Hi. I'm so sorry. I cannot figure this Zoom thing out. I can't wait till we don't have to use these things anymore.
It's a little bit complicated. Hey, do you think you can turn up your volume a little bit?
Oh, yeah. Let me, turn up the volume.
Oh, wait, now I can't hear you. I think you just put it on mute. Oh, wait, press the mute button so I can hear you again.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh. Testing 1, 2, 3. Coach Rocco to Ellie. Can you hear me?
Yep, I hear you loud and clear, Coach Rocco. All good now. So I'm calling you because I wanted to give out some Easter treats. And that means I'm going to send it to you right now on your computer, and you can find it there. Sent. It's in your messages.
Okay. Messages. And open. 100 Robux. How amazing! Thank you so much. Just what I always wanted. 100 Robux. Could you fill me in on what that is again? Is that a new kind of candy? Because it sounds delicious.
Oh, no, it's not candy. It's money you use in Roblox. It's called Robux, and I actually sent you 500.
Oh.
But I guess you don't play it a lot. Look, I can show you. Everyone's playing it at school. Oh, wait, hold on, Coach Rocco. I have another call. Let's see who it is.
Helly Sparkles, there you are. It's me, Coach Rocco. Hey, everyone's telling me about these awesome Easter gifts you're handing out. Do you happen to have one for your favorite gym teacher?
Oh, hi there, Coach Rocco.
Ellie, I think I pressed the wrong button again. I am seeing double. There is 2 Coach Roccos and 1 Ellie. Now, what am I doing wrong? Did I press the mute button again?
Whoopsie.
No, you didn't push a button, Coach Rocco. There's actually another Coach Rocco who joined our call. Coach Rocco? Meet Coach Rocco.
Oh, boy. This Zoom thing is a lot more complicated than I thought. Just when you think you got it figured out, something strange happens. I can't wait till we don't have to use these things anymore.
Oh, fudge sticks. It's me, Jimmy. I'm sorry, Ellie. You know I can't resist those sweet Robux. I mean, well, Coach Rocco and Mr. Watson don't even really play Roblox, so technically I didn't really do anything wrong, right?
Well, Jimmy, tricking people on Easter is technically wrong. How should we have you make up for tricking everyone on Easter? Let's see. Wait a second. How about you teach Coach Rocco all about Zoom and Roblox?
Oh no, not Zoom lessons. Those are the worst. Please, Ellie, anything but that.
Great idea, Ellie. Oh, Jimmy. Oh, this would be so great. I need somebody to help me figure out all these buttons. It's so complicated.